We're going to work on a stretch for the neck, which is great for if you're doing any trap work, any shoulder work, and also just great for any long days at the office, hunched up, driving, that sort of thing. It's going to really help loosen the neck off. So I'm going to turn around for this. It's going to help you see the starting position a bit better. So what you're going to do is place the side that you want to stretch, that arm behind you, grab your wrist and pull your arm over. Then tilt your head away from the stretching shoulder. You should already begin to feel that stretch. If you want to make it deeper, try nodding up and down, and you might find a sweet spot that works for you. Then pivot the head. So imagine a pole's going right through the top of your head. It cannot move side to side now. You're going to look over your shoulder by twisting your face and your head over the shoulder you're looking to stretch. And that should increase the trap stretch. If you want to take it a little step further, lean away from the shoulder you want to stretch whilst holding that twist and nod. Hold that for the time prescribed in your program.